Alright guys, so pretty much this is an unboxing of my latest prototypes. I just got the package from Lil3dprinting. Let's see, we have a dumb Trump ornament that I made a while ago. I'm pretty sure this is a MAGA ornament. I'll show you. Pretty much I sold, I think, about a couple hundred of these. And this is the new prototype. It's a little larger than the other one. And this one says "Make America Great Again." And as you can see, it's larger and it's supposed to be stronger because the hook was kinda off on this one. So this is "Make America Great Again" ornament. We have let's see. Just gonna try to cut it easier. We have a rooster Trump. We have another dumb Trump ornament. We have rooster Trump. We have dumb Trump ornament. Dumb Trump ornament. Dumb Trump ornament. This is a "Make America Great Again" without the yellow details. Make America Great Again, as you can see. This is one of the ones that I'm excited about. It's actually Donald Trump golden showers. As you can see, it's Putin taking a piss on Donald Trump. You see that? It's the golden showers Donald Trump ornament. I mean, it's not an ornament, sorry. It's just a regular sculpture. Donald Trump getting pissed on by Trump. This is one size. It's a dumb Trump ornament. Dumb Trump ornament. Dumb Trump ornament. And this is the larger version. It's Putin peeing on Donald Trump, as you can see. And this is the larger version. As you can see, this one came out really good. It's my newest piece. It's not even on my store yet. Make America Great Again ornament. You see, I've been selling those "Make America Great" ornament to Donald Trump supporters in my fucktrumpgear.com store. Here's another Donald Trump rooster. And the funny thing is that they keep buying it. I don't really care. I'll take the fucking money. Again, "Make America Great Again" ornament. And this is one of my favorite pieces. It's the baby dick Donald Trump ornament. I mean, sculpture. Shit, I keep calling it ornaments. You see, it has a little tiny dick. and little tiny hands with the Donald Trump face. So that's it, guys.